In this video, I'll show you how to change payment method on YouTube. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So if your current payment method has expired, or if the card associated with your YouTube subscription has been declined, obviously you'll need to update the payment information to ensure uninterrupted service, alright? Or simply you might want to change your payment method to switch to a different card or payment option that offers better rewards, benefits, or has a different billing cycle. It doesn't matter what reasons you have, but the way we can change payment method on YouTube is simply we go to here, right, to manage your payment on your Google account. All right, so first off, on computer, go to the youtube.com/paid_memberships. Now when we right click on that, it will be hovered down here. There's offers from YouTube like premium and music, and all I gotta do is click edit next to your existing payment method. Click down the arrow next to your payment method and select another payment method or add credit or a debit card that you're now using. You need to enter your card number and click submit, right? Now for Android, all I'm gonna do is the simple thing. Tap your profile photo, purchases and memberships right here. Tap on your membership. Tap edit next to your existing payment method. Now tap the down arrow next to your payment method, and again you need to select your other payment method or add new credit or debit card. Simply enter your card number and tap submit. Now for iPhone and iPad users, all right, if you sign up for a YouTube paid membership through Apple, you will have to update your payment details with Apple, and you need to follow these steps right here to change, add, or remove a payment method with Apple. Okay? And that's how you change your payment method on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.